In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix line thickness or line weight not showing properly in AutoCAD. Sometimes you may assign different line weights to objects, but all the lines still appear the same thickness on screen. The good news is this issue is usually caused by a simple display setting. Start by looking at the status bar near the bottom of the AutoCAD window and locate the Lineweight display button. The icon usually looks like lines with different thicknesses. Click it once to enable line weight visibility, and your line thicknesses should appear immediately. If you cannot find the button, click the customization icon on the bottom right corner of the status bar and enable line weight from the list so the icon becomes visible. Another quick method is using the command line. Type LWDISPLAY and press enter, then type 1 and press enter again to turn Lineweight display on. Once enabled, you'll be able to clearly see the visual difference between thick and thin lines in your drawing. This helps improve drafting accuracy and gives you a much better preview of how the final print will look. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.